potato cakes. We've got potato flakes from a box. We got milk, water, onions, minced onions, onion powder. We got butter, flour, and 2 teaspoons of meal. Now we stirred it all together. And this is what it's looking like right now when you're frying it. You fry them 5 minutes on each side till they're golden brown. Okay, it's time to flip them over. I grew up eating these with leftover mashed potatoes. You put salt and pepper on them too. Make them up like you do the regular mashed potatoes. And then you add your flour, a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of cornmeal, 1 whole onion cut up small, and 2 teaspoons of minced onions, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. Stir it all up. Then you'll take either a cup of milk or half a cup of milk just to make it, you know, like this. And then you could add water till you get it the consistency that you want it. And you can add 1/3 cup of butter. And then you fry it in grease. This is how they should look like after you get them out. Now you can dip them with ketchup or mayonnaise and mustard mixed together. Either one. Time to add more to the skillet. Wait at least 5 minutes before you turn it over. Here we go. We're going to make us a dipping sauce for us. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of mayo. One tablespoon of mustard. You can make this dipping sauce for a lot of food you eat. chicken nuggets, you name it. Time to flip them over again. Reason you have to cook them so long is because they got onions in them, and you want them warm in the middle too. I'm sure you growed up like this. My grandma used to make these all the time. I put this dipping sauce on French fries, on hush puppies, you name it. On bologna sandwiches. Here's the second batch. They're done. We got another third batch in the fryer. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is our homemade potato cakes. I hope you make this recipe. Thanks.